The ETL file type is an event trace log. It records high-speed data about your PC's performance or errors. You need to use the Windows Event Viewer to decode it. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. I'll show you how to mount the log. A quick heads up, I've saved my most powerful ETL troubleshooting step, a tech-only workaround for after we've gone through the user-friendly methods. Here's a quick preview. The ETL file carries the industry-recognized flag for data file formats. This file utilizes the specific encoding mandated by Microsoft Event Trace Log file. The ETL Event Trace Log file is a proprietary diagnostic file created by the Microsoft Windows kernel to record operating system events, process activity, and hardware performance data. Its purpose is troubleshooting system issues. Developed by Microsoft, the format is a closed-source binary file containing raw system trace data. Its structure requires the Microsoft Event Viewer or specialized performance analysis tools to correctly decode the events. It is unreadable if opened manually. Historically, the main tool for managing the ETL type has been Microsoft Event Viewer by Microsoft Corporation. Windows cannot fully interpret the file's proprietary XML structure for editing purposes. Windows identifies the file type, but not the internal content, which must be opened in the right software. Open the menu by right-clicking your ETL file and choosing Open With. Try Microsoft Event Viewer first. If it's absent, select another program. This trial and error process is essential for troubleshooting. If you still cannot open your ETL file, that is okay. To truly fix this, let's review the why, the top technical reasons this specific ETL error occurs on your system. First, recognize the file type. Understand that .etl files are system diagnostic log files used by Windows Performance Analyzer, WPA, and are not meant to be opened directly by the user. Next, use Trace Event Viewer. Open the file using Windows Performance Analyzer, WPA, or Event Viewer by right-clicking and selecting Open Saved Log. Finally, convert to CSV. Use the Windows command line utility tracer to convert the ETL binary data into a readable .csv or XML format. If your experience shows the file needs a solution that bypasses the header, we must use the Ultimate Inspection utility. This tool is specifically designed to try and resolve difficult ETL issues. When the specialized tools fail, the problem is deeper. Your best option is a universal program like FileMagick. It handles hundreds of formats and can often access content even when Windows cannot. You can download it at filemagick.com. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and keep your files working. Hope that solution accelerated your workflow.